Hello, beautiful people. So today's recipe is veggie pulao rice with chicken. This recipe is from Bangladesh. It was a great honor to make this recipe because Bangladesh is a melting pot of cultures. It is known for its architecture, it's known for its dancing, and it's also known because it has that Indian influence because it's on the east side of India. It also has different bays of water. So for this recipe, you will need a pound of chicken diced up, a pound of potatoes diced up, 3 cups of rice, 1 red onion, cinnamon, cardamom, bay leaf, salt, and garlic. You also need a handful of cashews. You also need butter or ghee, turmeric, garlic paste, diced up ginger, also green beans, carrots, a whole tomato. So let's get started. You want to add the spices to the chicken, which were turmeric, marjoram, paprika, and red pepper flakes. And you want to marinate this all together. You want to add the butter to the pot. This recipe originally uses ghee. Ghee was very difficult for me to find, so I just replaced it with butter. So there I've sliced the red onions, and you want to cook it down to add the chicken. And there you could see the chicken has been added, and I added salt. The butter has melted, and now I'm adding the spices and the water. This original recipe uses milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so I just used water to make the rice. And there I've added the potatoes to the chicken. And you want to cook this for about 4 to 8 minutes. Now I'm making a puree to add to the chicken with tomatoes and half an onion. And as you can see, I'm adding it, and this is just gonna give it like a aromatic flavor that the chicken I felt needed. So now I'm sauteing the veggies. This goes into the rice. So you want to add the carrots and the green beans. And now I'm gonna toast the cashews. The cashews is really just a garnishment to put on top of the rice. Beautiful people, this recipe was amazing to make because it uses spices that over here originally we would use for sweet, but over there in Bangladesh they use it for salty, and it gave it such an aromatic flavor. This is how it came out. It was amazing, the flavor. My children loved it so much. I hope you guys try it at home. Feel free to subscribe and comment down below.